you're being bad. You're being bad. I need you to be better. Come on down here. Come on down here. Now listen, guys. Come down here. Listen. My wife and I are out here, and we're trying to get the birds' attention and get the birds, the seagulls, to come in and enjoy some bread and stuff like that. And so we've been throwing up bread and everything so that the birds will come and get them. And they're about to come in and get them. What's your idea for it, Brett? What do you think you should do? Just...
No.
We got any bread left?
No.
No? Got a little bit of bread left.
That's a good shot.
That's a good shot?
But I gotta go all the way over here.
Okay. And there it's coming after her. No.
I knew you would.
Go down and on the mountain. Right here. It's crazy out here. It's crazy at this place. Right here.